Yo YouTube, what's good? Welcome back to another video. This is Life with AD, and in this video we are going to continue with our weekly analysis. So I'm thinking of starting it like this, starting something like this. It's gonna be episode by episode. So this week is gonna be episode 1. So let's quickly go to the video, guys. If you are new here, please do well and subscribe, like, and comment. You can also refer this channel to your friends so that they can learn SMC as well. Thank you.
So this is gold. I could have analyzed it, but it's in a consolidation phase, so I'll not touch it for now. Rather, I'll go to GBP USD, and as usual, we'll mark the recent swing high and low on the 1 hour time frame. Either of the two liquidity must be taken, and from what we can see here on the 1 hour, there's a fair value gap that got filled, so price is delivering to the downside. And that's a high that needs to be taken, and I got a supply zone that hasn't been mitigated yet, so I want to see price go up to that point. I want to see price drop from that supply zone right there. That's my QML level. Then my supply candle. Sorry, my network is misbehaving, that's why it's fluctuating. I'll go ahead and delete all these things because you know me, as usual, I love to see my analysis clean. I don't like too much noise. I'm showing you all those so that you will know the conferences of my analysis. So coming down to Euro USD, from what we can see here, price has reacted from that fair value gap, then drop to the downside, creating a QML level right there. That's my supply zone from that place. And I can see a bit of liquidity right there that needs to be taken also. People got their stop loss. People that are sitting right now have their stop loss above that place, so we want to see price go back to that place, take their stop, and push to the downside. So let's quickly go to UJ. We got our swing low right there. and obviously we can see we are in a serious uptrend. Yeah, this is an ascending channel. Obviously we are in a serious uptrend, so we're only looking for buying opportunities. I can see indecision candle right there and a break of market structure. So I'm trying to refine this zone as much as possible. You can see a fair value gap right there that wasn't filled, so that would definitely or probably call price. So we'll always use the recent structure or the recent signatures. You can see that's a break of market structure right there, liquidity below that place, fair value gap, and this stop loss will be below that swing low because we got a large order block right there on the higher time frame. So we are giving our stop loss a good space. This is 1 to 4 RR, so we are giving our stop loss a good breathing space. So these are our analysis for the week, GBP USD. And guess what, I'm dropping the analysis on my free Telegram channel. Mind you, this is just a weekly forecast, but these are not the only pairs I strictly trade.
So I want to believe you've enjoyed that video. If so, please leave a comment. If there's any suggestion or anything you want to let me know, just drop it on the comment box, and please subscribe, and see you next week Sunday on another video. Thank you. Bye.